Now we are prepared for trial. Your this thoracic and lumbar muscles are tight. Relax, ma'am. Turn your neck one side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Check the neck. Relax. This C1 and the C1 is tight in cervical region. The C2, C3. Neck is stiff. Use. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Amazing.
Breathe in. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh.
Now check, ma'am. Both sides. Relax. Fold your legs. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh. I'm getting chills.
Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh, oh. Okay.
Right. You use maximum cell phone or laptop. That's why neck was stiff.
And from looking down at my baby.
Oh, that's why
Yes.
we are preparing you for that. You have to take care because yes. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh, oh.
Come down.
Come down?
Come.
Like sit up or get up?
No, no.
No.
Come down. Relax. Hold it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Good. Coming. And right and left. Left is shorter compared to right. We'll align them.
Close.
Yes. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now check. Very good. Very good. How about knees, ma'am? Any
No.
pain? No pain?
No.
Now turn this side. Yes,
Easy.
Relax. Just relax. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Turn that side now. Yes, this. This fast. Slack. Okay. We have to work on those muscles because that's why they're tight. See?
Okay.
Yeah, these are tight, ma'am.
Yeah. I feel it.
Mm-hmm. Relax. Relax. Okay. Loose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on your belly again. Go. Done. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh. See?
Did on its
This is a
own.
helping hand. Good. Relax. Yes. Walk my hands. Okay. Relax. Breathe in. Your elbow will be bent. Yes, forward. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh. Oh.
Walk, man. Walk 2-3 rounds and check how you feel.
Wow, it feels good.
So, ma'am, today is your first session,
Yes.
and how are you feeling?
Great. Amazing.
Okay. So, how was the experience with Dr. Pankaj?
It was great. I loved it.
Great. So, you're feeling a little lighter?
Yes. Everything feels good.
Okay. So, you will recommend others also to visit here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.